Here in Holland, this country, the international human rights is in this country. Our former president is old. He did nothing.
Na tayo magbibigay ng lakas. Okay? Tayo magbibigay lakas. Yeah.
Please release! Let him go!
Maraming salamat po. Parating din po.
You can't just sit down lying doing nothing. Still continue the fight. And if all our supporters are still with us, this is not the end. This is still just a part of it. This is still the continuation of a fight to bring him home. To tell me that the deep love, respect, and I don't see what they don't see. He's 80 years old. He's got maybe 5, 7 years. I think it's better he should spend those time with his family.
This decision from the ICC, did you have any?
Of course not.
Yes.
I hope that the ICC court leads into this their humanitarian side, sees that the person is no longer a threat or a flight risk or anything. That's all.
I'm not really into politics, but of course I'm in standing for a former president, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, because he has done a lot of things in our country on his journey as a president. And of course we're human, and he's already 80 years old, so it's so sad I feel about that this path right now, the total darkness of his soul is really hard also, of course, especially to the people of Davao.
We expected it to be positive, so have a better future for the Philippines, but I think the Philippines is right now doomed of what happened. We expected more.
Okay. Ako na i-open. Punta na sila Duterte.